How to create an account on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to create an account on Snapchat. Let's dive right in. First, make sure to download the Snapchat app from Play Store or App Store and open the app. Click on the sign up button in order to create a new account. Enter your name, followed by your birthday. Select a good username that you like and complete the sign up process, setting a strong password. Enter your email or phone number in order to verify the account. Add a few friends. Create your Bitmoji and your account is now set up. Use as much as you want for all the purposes, creating content, sending it to your friends, family, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel for more similar kind of tech tips.